Hello all, welcome to MES e-learning channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about matrix multiplication. Let's see what is a matrix. Matrix is an array of elements arranged in rows and columns. The number of rows and number of columns involved in the array defines the order of the matrix. Matrix multiplication applied in many fields. In engineering fields, it is applied in many places for signal processing. Then in commerce also it is applied. In data analysis also the matrix multiplication is applied. Now let us see how to do matrix multiplication. So to multiply two matrices, there is a condition. The condition is number of rows of the second matrix is equal to number of columns of the first matrix. If this condition is satisfied, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. Otherwise, the matrix multiplication doesn't exist. Suppose if A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix of order P by Q, then A into B is possible if and only if n is equal to P. Otherwise, the matrix multiplication doesn't exist. Now, let us consider an example. Let us take A is equal to matrix 1, 6, 0, 4, 3, 2 of order 3 rows and 2 columns, and B is another matrix. It has 0, 3, 2, 4, that means 2 rows and 2 columns. Then what will be the product? So if you want to find out A into B, first you have to check the condition. Number of columns in the first matrix and number of rows in the second matrix should be same. So here number of columns in the first matrix is 2 and number of rows in the second matrix is 2. So they are same, so the matrix multiplication is possible. Then how to do the matrix multiplication? First you have to consider the row 1, 6, that means the first row, and the column of the second matrix 0, 2. The next one is 1, 6, the first row is multiplying with the second column 3, 4. Then next one 0, 4 is multiplying with 0, 2. Then 0, 4 is multiplying with 3, 4. 3, 2 is multiplying with the first column 0, 2, and 3, 2 is multiplying with the second column 3, 4. Now this 1 is multiplying with the 0 plus 6 is multiplying with the 2. The next one is 1 is multiplying with 3 plus 6 into 4. Then next one is 0 into 0 plus 4 into 2. Then 0 into 3 plus 4 into 4. The next one is 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Next is 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So which is equal to 0 plus 12, 0 plus 8, 0 plus 4, 24, 0 plus 16, 9 plus 8. That is equal to 12, 8, 4, 27, 16, 17. So this is the product of the matrix A into B. Now this matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. So here in this question 3 is the row number and 2 is the column number. So that will be the order of the product. I hope that all of you understood this topic. So in today's topic we discussed about matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication is possible only if the condition is satisfied. The condition says number of columns in the first matrix and number of rows in the second matrix should be same. Then you have to do the process of this one, taking the first row, first column, first row, second column, then for second row, first column, second row, second column, then third row, first column, third row, second column, like that. So we are obtaining the product simplification. So final answer we are obtaining, and it is of order matrix of order 3 and 2, where 3 is the number of rows in the first matrix and 2 is the number of columns in the second matrix. So thank you.